Good morning. So right now it's 5 a.m. in the morning. We just wake up, dress up, and we preparing and we making the breakfast and preparing to go from P1 to P2 and waiting our turn to go to P3. So yeah, and it's raining. Not so good, but yeah, we will try to go actually. So yeah, we're starting going to our P2. So we just came up to P2. Here is P3, our parking spot where we want to go actually, and yeah, we're going too fast to toilets, and yeah, because road opens at 6. 9 minutes left until 6, so yeah, we need to hurry. So right now it's 6:06, and yeah, we're going to nearby the gate where the P3 road starts, and yeah, we go in here. Going. I need to have a low gear, and we're moving just 20 kilometers per hour. In third gear, 3000 RPMs. We're driving slowly because here is very narrow road, and yeah, we drive 3 kilometers, one more left, and views are amazing. So here's parking. Okay, here we are. Van has made it to get to the top. Yep, yeah, Van has made it. So yeah, and weather is dark clouds, semi-dark clouds. Here is the not so much, but yeah, here is, I think it's raining and here it's very dark. I believe we were going here, but so far not raining very much, just small rains, and we're starting going because right now is 6:30. Yeah, we made it 3 kilometers. What we found, 6 kilometers left. 5 kilos left, 5 made it. Climbed more than half, and yeah, the weather is changing all the time. Right now it's windy, but so cold wind. No strong, but cold. And yeah, the view is amazing. 4 kilometers left. Oh my god. Whoa. 2 kilometers left, so okay. So I got the rocks inside my boot. Because I wanted to be the first that I climbed today on the TROLLTUNga. We passed 2 groups, they're just getting down, and we passed 4 groups that they started earlier than us. So my big hopes but we first and the only one. But yeah, we will see. Okay, my hopes failed because here are about 10 people. Just starting going back, so we made it less than 3 hours to the top from the P3 parking lot to the TROLLTUNGA. So yeah, it was quick hike. Actually, we did several photos and videos, but yeah, people starting gathering quickly. And yeah, we met at this tongue people, but they camping, so doesn't count. So we first today here. I'm glad about it. And right now we just going back. Somewhere we'll stop for a dinner and yeah, we will move to the next one. Started raining, left about 6 kilometers till our van. We just made it back from TROLLTUNGA hike. Yeah, we started 6:50 and ended 13. So yeah, it was quick hike. Actually, we took about several minutes of taking photos, and right now we just packing our things to the van and moving to the P2 parking lot. And from there we will take our dinner and move to another hiking place. I am tired right now. My backpack was heavy, so my back is hurting, but I will survive. It was interesting, it was funny, but I made it, so I'm very happy about it. Now it's raining, so I will pack camera and we'll go back to the P2. Today we need to drive 200 kilometers or so, and I saw next by road a very streamy river, but yeah, I wanted to stop to take a picture, but there wasn't any stop place where I can stop. And yeah, several kilometers later I saw one and I stopped. Then I look up at the different side, on the left side of the road I saw this big stream. I tried to explain in the outside, but it's so loud that I don't think you can hear me. Yeah. It's wow. Okay, and now we back on the road. Because we need to go to another side of the fjord. This is the only way, and today we drive a lot, 100 plus kilometers. We need to get into this spot where we'll sleep, because tomorrow we want to hike early. The navigation is saying that we will arrive about 21:30, but yeah, it's lying about it. I think it will be 10 p.m. in the evening, and yeah, maybe later. So we're almost here and we going. stopped at random parking lot nearby the road, and we didn't finish our drive today where we want to stop because it's pretty late. Right now it's 10 past 10 and we want to rest because at the morning we had big hike and then I drive 254 kilometers. It's exhausting, so but I'm happy. I saw beautiful views, I drive amazing roads, but now I'm exhausted. I want to rest, so because tomorrow we will start early again and we start another hike. So I'll see you tomorrow. See ya.